skórzej ślepoty.
When I went to Pakistan, 30 doctors want to have a dialogue with me.
Dziękuję.
Kind of, it's a genetic problem. Every week they have to infuse the blood, they have to put the blood into the body. One child, the blood infusion, yeah. Then they started to give Ganoderma. Then the first try they extend to 17 days. Then they give the Ganoderma again. The blood infusion extend over 1 month. After a few months, blood infusion is not necessary. This is genetic problem. How come this child become okay after taking mushroom? They give mushroom to the night blindness. Mushroom do not have vitamin A, no. Why the night blindness is cured? So before I go there, they send me questionnaire. 3 pages of questionnaire, you know. What is the content of Ganoderma? What is the chemical in the Ganoderma that can cure thalassemia? What are the content of Ganoderma? There's such a good effect on the night blindness. Very formal meeting, you know, all the big doctors, we are sitting together. They give the questionnaire to me. I put it aside. So then don't discuss this thing. We have been talking about nutrition for the past 200 years. We still have thalassemia. We still have blood problem. We still have night blindness problem. I told them all this problem is caused by malnutrition. Give enough nutrition to a person, all this problem will disappear.